The Smoky Hill Visual Art Department offers a wide range of classes in drawing, painting, sculpture and ceramics, AP Art History, photography, and mixed media. We're hoping that you'll find something that appeals to you. Classes that are available to freshmen include Drawing and Painting 1, Drawing and Design 1, Pottery and Sculpture 1, as well as AP Art History. Each of these classes is meant to help you develop a foundation for learning about the visual arts and your role in it. As you proceed through our department, we offer a wide range of classes that will extend the skills that you learn in these foundational courses. Those classes include Intermediate Drawing and Painting, Advanced Studio Art, IB Visual Arts, Intermediate Pottery and Sculpture, Advanced Pottery Sculpture, Digital Photography, and of course, AP Art History. We're hoping that you'll find something that encourages your creative soul.